In this video, we're going to show you the news tile of the Dusk IOP app. Start by entering your PIN. The app will perform a sync to pull down any new data or send back any locally stored data. From this screen here, the heart icons can be tapped to favourite them. This adds them to the menu on the left. In this case, we're going into the news tile in the bottom left corner. News articles are published from the back office, and they can contain attachments, they contain information, etc. in there. For this one here, we're able to see that there's a news item here from February and it's got an attachment. The article can also be shared if it needs to as well, which is permission based. So in this case here, we're logging in and we can see that masks need to be carried and observing state-based rules. There's also a PDF attachment there that can be viewed if needed. And this is how you use the news feature of the Dusk IOP app.